Hi, this is Kirk Johnson, and today I'm going to give you some highlights of a new 102% government financing program. The program is called Rural Development Program, and is limited to specific areas in each state. It does have income limits, so depending on the housing costs in each area, we'll limit the amount of income you can make per that county. There is no monthly mortgage insurance. However, there is a 2% one-time guarantee fee that is paid up front and can be financed. The seller or a third party can pay closing costs up to 6%. You cannot currently own a home. It must be your primary residence and is for single-family homes and condos only. It requires a minimum of a 620 credit score, and you cannot have a bankruptcy or foreclosure in the past 3 years. It can also be used to refinance your current mortgage, but limits you to a rate and term only. There's no cash out. If you'd like more information or to find out if you qualify, please call me at 970-593-1354. And thanks for watching our video.